Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding memories. Sometimes it's not the song that makes you emotional, it's the people and things that come to your mind when you hear it. When you're happy, you enjoy the music. When you're sad, you understand the lyrics. When I put my earphones on, I enter the world of my own. So close your eyes and visualize a picture perfect day, as every picture tells a story. Music and memories are a wonderful source of energy as they create feelings that fuel us. Whenever the day is not going your way, take a break, close your eyes, put on a favorite song, and create a happy memory with a positive outcome. Then open your eyes and begin again. Because when you change the way you feel, you change the way you see things. It's a great way to get out of a rut and into a groove. Make it a great day.